Love fresh homemade bread but don't want all the hard work? These 5 bread makers can mix, knead, rise, and bake delicious bread almost completely hands-free. Number 1. Elite Gourmet Black. First up is the Elite Gourmet Bread Maker in black. This beginner-friendly machine includes 19 presets for gluten-free bread, pizza dough, jam, rye bread, wheat bread, and sweet bread. You can choose between 1 pound, 1.5 pound, or 2 pound loaf sizes, and the delay timer lets you wake up to fresh, warm bread every morning. Pros: affordable, compact, and extremely easy to use. Cons: it can get slightly noisy during kneading. If you want an affordable and beginner-friendly bread maker, this one is a fantastic choice. Number 2. Elite Gourmet Mint. Next is the mint version of the Elite Gourmet Bread Maker. It offers the same baking features but with a stylish, modern design that looks amazing in apartments and smaller kitchens. Pros: energy saving, beginner friendly, and visually attractive on the countertop. Cons: some removable parts require hand washing. If style matters just as much as performance, this bread maker is definitely worth checking out. Number 3. Hamilton Beach. The Hamilton Beach Bread Maker focuses on simplicity with 14 baking settings, including gluten-free, dough, cake, jam, and express bake modes. One standout feature is the reminder beep that tells you exactly when to add nuts, seeds, or dried fruit. Pros: easy digital controls, dishwasher-safe pan, and customizable crust levels. Cons: it offers fewer presets than more advanced bread machines. For simple and reliable homemade bread, Hamilton Beach keeps things easy and stress-free. Number 4. KitchenArm Smart. Now let's talk about the KitchenArm 29-in-1 Smart Bread Machine. This machine is packed with advanced features including sourdough, keto bread, yogurt, gluten-free baking, and customizable homemade settings. It even remembers your favorite recipes for future one-touch baking. Pros: extremely versatile, feature-packed, and perfect for advanced bakers. Cons: the large number of settings may feel overwhelming for beginners. If you want pro-level control and endless baking options, this machine is seriously impressive. Number 5. West Bend High-Rise. Finally, the West Bend High-Rise Bread Maker stands out with its huge 3-pound loaf capacity and dual knead blades for fluffier bakery-style bread. Its horizontal bread pan also creates a more traditional loaf shape that many bread lovers prefer. Pros: excellent for large families and bigger batches of bread. Cons: bulkier design and slightly longer baking times. For families who bake often and need larger loaves, this bread maker is built to handle the job with ease. So, which bread maker would you choose for your kitchen? Comment below and follow for more kitchen gadget reviews and Amazon finds.